Today I'm going to teach you how to file your beneficial ownership information, or BOI, with FinCEN, which is the Financial Crimes and Enforcement Network. So you may have seen videos or read that your legal entity could cost you up to $500 per day, or you could receive up to 2 years of jail time for not complying with this filing. And I'm going to give you the quick and easy on how to get this done online. And for background, my name is Charmaine Laka, and I'm the founder and managing attorney of LVLUP Legal. We are a business and intellectual property law firm, and we help businesses with their filings and making sure that they remain compliant. So under the Corporate Transparency Act, after January 1st, 2024, certain businesses are required to file their beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. There are various deadlines based on when your business was filed, and there are certain exemptions, and we're going to be doing some follow-up videos on that, so be sure to subscribe to Level Up Legal. Now, there are 2 documents that you're going to need for this filing. One is a copy of your state ID or your passport, and the second is going to be your EIN number or your employee identification number. So the first thing you want to do is go to boiefiling.fincen.gov. Then you want to go to the BOI e-filing and click Get Started. Here you have the option of filing a PDF or doing your BOIR filing online. I prefer to do it online because then you can see the areas that are required for you to fill out so you don't miss anything, and you also get a confirmation email when it's complete. So I'm going to click Prepare and Submit BOIR online. Here you have the option of filing your initial report, correcting a report, updating a report, or clarifying that you are a newly exempt entity. So as I mentioned, even if you are an exempt entity, you still have to complete this. So really this video is for everybody. Most businesses are going to be filing their initial report. So they're going to click A. Here, the date prepared is going to be auto-filled, and then you want to read the Privacy and Paperwork Reduction Act notice. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and click Next. You then have the option to request and receive a FinCEN ID. I would highly suggest that you click this box because then you will get an email that provides you with your FinCEN ID, and you can make amendments and also have that confirmation as was shown in the first page. Here you want to put in your business's legal entity. We're going to use our law firm's name, Level Up Legal PC. And if you have a DBA, you can put that in as well. You're going to scroll down and it's going to ask you for your tax identification type. This is where you're going to need your EIN number. So here you're going to click EIN, and I'm going to use a pseudo EIN here. And unlike the form, there are no dashes. Then you're going to click the jurisdiction or country. I'm going to click the United States, and our business was formed in New York. Here you're going to put in your business address. We are going to use a pseudo address here. You can put in the city. Here you're going to put in the country again, the state, and the zip code. And then you're going to hit Next. So number 16 is to click whether you are an existing reporting company. So if your business was filed anytime before January 1st, 2024, you're going to click this button. You're going to get this attention, and this is going to disable the company applicant fields, but that's okay because you're going to fill out very similar information in the BOI tab. So you're going to click Yes here. Then you're going to go all the way down and hit Next. Here you're going to input your beneficial ownership information. Now, you are going to add in as many beneficial owners as you have, and a beneficial owner is defined as anybody who owns 25% or more of a legal entity. And this information will be outlined in your company formation documents, your articles of organization, your operating agreement, bylaws, or any other corporate formation document which outlines the ownership of the entity. So here I am going to put in my information. Again, you also have the opportunity here to click if you're an exempt business, but that you can find either on the first page of the FinCEN website or by following along in one of our videos. And I'm going to use a pseudo birthday here as well. And I'm going to put back in the pseudo address. state. And then it's going to ask you for an identifying document type. You can either do your US passport, a state ID, a state driver's license, and I'm going to put in another pseudo number. And here it's the United States of America. Because I clicked passport, it doesn't require me to put any state information. And here you're going to upload a image of your passport or ID and then hit next. So this is the last page, the submit page. Here you're going to put in the email address where you're going to receive the confirmation for submitting your BOIR. So I'm putting in our law firm's email address, and here you can contact us with any questions that you have about filing your BOIR. And I'm going to put my first name, my last name. Then you want to click and certify that you are authorized to report this on behalf of the company. And because I haven't put in my exact password yet, it's giving me this back. And then you're going to click to make sure that you are a human, and then you're going to submit your BOIR. So be sure to subscribe to Level Up Legal, and we are going to cover some more topics on exemptions, filing requirements, and all topics legal.